job. Job. Get a job. Get a job. Get a job. Job. Job, 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 job. Job, 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 job.
take my hand and walk. Come and take my hand and walk. Come and take my hand. Come and take my hand and walk. Come and take my hand and walk. Come and take my hand. Come and take my hand and walk. Come and take my hand and walk with me. Let me show you light and let it be. Free yourself of all anxiety. When you be yourself, you're living free. Come and take my hand and walk with me. Let me show you life and energy. The warmth of trust and positivity. Come and take my hand and walk with me. Come and take my hand and walk. Come and take my hand and walk. Come and take my hand. Come and take my
Chat, what is good, man? How we doing? Welcome back to the streams. Come say hi if you're here. Let me load this shit up. Wait, one sec. What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? Ja, Rays, High Life, what's good? Owen. All right, chat, who's out here? Malinko, what's good, brother? How we doing? All right, chat, look. Let's start this up. One sec. Let me load up my charts. I'm back after week W. Mr. Jar, Brad was good. All right. Fucking hell, chat. Gold's running. Why did no one tell me gold's running like crazy, huh? Chat, we're here. What's popping, man? Welcome back to the streams, chat. Good morning. It's not even morning. It's afternoon, but good afternoon. Mad. This is crazy. Gold's running like no one's business. Too busy spamming buy, I was going to say. I haven't even looked at the charts yet, and I just come on and it's like this. This is fucking crazy. What's good, Don? What, so we ran like 300 pips today, huh? Daily flipped. Shit, we're coming into some strong resistance areas though here. Let's do an analysis real quick. So essentially the weekly time frame, you actually never came back down and made that bottom wick for the previous. But you obviously have now flipped, and you do have some room now up towards, to be honest, 33.58, around there. Daily time frame, same thing, really. You have room now up towards 33.50, 33.70 as well, or that 33.58 area as well that we just spoke about. So there's, to be honest, so still some room here. We have ripped up like crazy, but obviously, I think buys are most likely on the cards here today. 4 hour as well. 4 hour looking interesting. Sun is shining. It's fucking Cyprus, bro. It's so hot here, man. So hot. Anyway, 4 hour. You do have some levels here, to be honest. Like, you have some levels around this area right here. 33.43. Interesting. All right, now let's drop to the 1 hour here and see what we can grab. So I would say we closed above a level here, to be honest. Up above 33.37. What's the 30 minute doing? You closed above a level here. Let's look on the 1 hour though. It could even be like down here, right? Now we'll leave it here. And then after that area, you do probably have room up towards 33.4. Maybe even higher, to be honest. What happens every time we close up here? You push up towards... Let's see, chat. Yeah. I think this is a level here, 33.53, to be honest. You should have room up towards there at least. I would say a break-even point is probably going to be around this level. Where is it? Just here. Towards like 45. Maybe a little bit lower. That gives you a lot of room though, chat. That gives you a lot of room. You do have to remember as well, we haven't really grabbed much liquidity. You have actually made some lower highs here. So I think realistically... Sorry, some higher lows. I think realistically we have some good room here. 30 minutes coming back down right now. I think best thing for me to do, since I've come on halfway through this 30 minute, I think the best thing to do is to wait for the 1 hour to close up here. And then we can see what happens. But I would say that these are the levels here for today. I think 33.23 below there, sells are relatively valid, to be honest. You're breaking some lows at that point. Buys above this 33.37 area are decent to take you up towards the top of the range. And yeah, that's realistically it, man. We're gonna have a break-even point around here. But chat, as long as you grab some liquidity on the next candle opening here, we could be in some luck for some positions. Only thing that would really stop us, right, is if we fill the range, which is possible. In fact, let me just check the lower time frames quickly. I got 33.57. Yeah, to be fair, you might have room all the way up there. To be honest, this is still like a 60 pip range, right? I'm happy. No, wait, what? It's way more. Okay, interesting. 15 looks interesting. I think we need a retest of 33.37, chat. We can look on the lower time frame for that as well. What's good, Thomas? Would you wait for the hourly to close, then wait for a bottom wick as we close above the level? Yeah, exactly. But we haven't closed above just yet. Once we do, though, that's what I'm going to look for. Wait. Okay. you take anything today? No, bro. I can't lie. One of my boys just got here from England. So we just went to the gym this morning, chilled out, got some food. And I literally just got back home like 10 minutes ago. So I actually haven't even looked at the charts once. This is the first time getting on, but interesting nonetheless. So much potential here, man. Let's see how this hourly closes though, chat. Or at least a 15-minute. You got 5 minutes here till a 15-minute closure. But chat, how you guys been, man? Anyone take anything this morning? Anyone take anything this week? Let me know. Nice one. How warm is it over there? It's about 32 degrees right now. Fucking boiling, man. In a good way, though. It feels like a nice temperature, you know? It's not like a dry heat or anything like that. It's just pretty decent. Decent wind as well. A nice little breeze. Can't complain. Nothing yet? I think it's forming. Light work, indeed. I'm not going to lie. I'm properly British when it comes to the heat. Like, anything above sort of what it is right now, if it gets to like 35, 40, it's way too hot for me. Chat, by the way, Apex have an 80% off sale right now. I need to change the text here. Apex sale now live. Code TRLS. W. Yeah, a bit smaller, but also nicer. There you go. Yeah, so you can get 80% off your accounts with code TRLS right now, which is sick. Ended up yesterday around $300 down on each account, by the way, chat. So like 3K loss yesterday on the Apex accounts. I took a small win after that trade that we took on stream, which was, by the way, the most unfortunate trade I've taken this year, I would say. We got stopped out by 2 pips. Literally here. That was crazy, bro. Like, where was this trade taken? Like around... Where was it? Am I tripping or was it around here? Oh yeah, it was like on the 30-minute, right? Oh yeah, it was here. Yeah. So we got stopped out literally right here for like a pip. 2 pips. Then it ran all the way to TP. Tough position. But we moved, chat. Again, you can't dwell on these things, right? Want L is part of the job long-term game? 100%, man. Like, it doesn't really even affect me. Like, even talking about it right now, I don't really care. I just wanted to sort of be transparent and talk to you guys about the trade. But yeah, anyway, took a small win after that for like 1K total profit. So ended up with like $300 down. Calculate pips, we divide the number by 10. Yeah, so like 1530 turns to 153. Lightweight, yeah, buddy. Yes, sir. What's good, Renter? How's it going, man? Chat. 15-minute closing here, about 3 minutes right now. Then I did catch 22 pips from the daily flip. W. Good shit, bro. What? My old work shared a document with me. I don't think they meant to do that. See what it is. Imagine they're suing me or some shit. Would you not say 33.45 is the level? That's like a break-even point for me, to be honest. Five, 3, 1, 2. I'm tripping. Why have they sent me this? What is it? Oh, they did it by accident. Crazy. On spot gold, it is make a bottom wick for the previous weekly. This is spot gold though, but it hasn't done it for me at least. So I don't know. I don't know, man. We're pushing down here, chat. Pushing down right now. This is interesting. So is this the bottom wick that we needed to make, right? It very well could be. 5 minutes pushing down here. If you can get some confirmation that we're actually going to reject here and this is just a liquidity grab for the 30 minute. On Oanda it did? Oh, really? Okay. Oh, mad. No, not really. The open of the previous is here, right? Just because it gapped up on that one doesn't mean it technically did it, right? Actually, you have to think about, because of the gaps, you have to think about the open of previous week being here. So it's actually right there. The gaps are just bullshit. You can't trust them. What's good, Andrew? How's it going, man? Chat, by the way, drop a like on the stream. I have another Apex account to give away, by the way. So let's do another Apex account giveaway. 50 likes? Nah, let's do 60. 60 likes, fuck it. See, chat, look, we're pushing up here. This might have been a liquidity grab. In fact, I think it probably was here. 15-minute looks to be closing. Still bearish, though, so it's a bit difficult for me to take anything. It looks like the hourly is going to be what we print here, to be honest. 30 seconds to that 15-minute close. Relatively strong rejection here off of these levels. So you might just rip straight up now, which is obviously if we do that, it's not ideal. But again, we didn't close above on the previous. So this could still be a liquidity grab to come back down, right? It's very possible. You call me thicky? That's crazy. That's insane. Yeah, chat. See, look, opened with a bottom wick here as well. I think you might see a push back up to the upside here, chat. 15 minutes to the hourly, or 14 minutes to the hourly close. So, like, realistically, anything could happen here. If you close bullish on this next 15, that's going to be the hourly respecting, right? It's going to be a closure above. That's bias towards the upside. Very valid in my opinion. Would you have taken 15-minute buys above if it was closure next candle lower wick? If it was closure next candle lower wick, I mean previously. English, por favor. No, I'm joking. I don't know what you mean, to be honest, bro. Restate the question and I'll answer it. Can't blame me, bro. Had those chi-chis out on the weekly analysis. Crazy. Crazy, man. Guy can't even wear no shirt in peace anymore. I'm just out here. I mean, the previous candle, 15-minute closure above, would that have been valid for you to take buys up if the next candle made a lower wick and flipped? Oh. Yeah, maybe. Maybe, to be honest. If this one would have come down and grabbed a lot of liquidity, then yeah, probably. I would say yes. But chat, this hourly looks like it might flip as well. If you do flip on this hourly, chat, you might see a continuation downwards here. Trying to look at what's happened in the past. It would be some sort of mirror like this, right? Only problem is, right, everything else is bullish. So 5-minute, 15-minute. Technically, we're still bullish. But if you do grab liquidity like this and fail to push up, chat, there's no reason why this couldn't be a liquidity grab to push back down as well. Let me change the music. Yeah, where's everyone at today? Everyone got wrecked yesterday, huh? I wonder if people blew accounts. Let's put some actual... I'm going to put some copyright music on. Fuck it. I don't care. All right, nice. We're in business. Show me how to journal a trade on the free TRLS trade journal. There's a tutorial in the journal. If you click on the front page of the journal, I haven't journaled a trade in ages, by the way. I just completely forgot to do that recently. If you click on the front page of the journal, there's like this image here of me. It's like a thumbnail. You're gonna be able to see like there's a link, and then if you click that, it'll go to the YouTube video, and that will basically show you exactly how to do it. Otherwise, it's gonna take me ages to explain it. It's a very comprehensive journal, right? Chat, you guys seen this oh, let's be open-minded, crazy. Have you guys seen this boat that like Greta Thunberg's on? Bro, this shit is the craziest thing I've ever seen. The most hypocritical thing in the world. I don't know if you guys have seen that, but it's quite funny. Chat, this could be a great opportunity for some positions here, though. I can't lie. She got nicked? Did she? Bro, they were using a petrol-powered engine, and they threw all their phones in the water when they're on like an environmental mission. Shit's crazy. But, chat, also, I was talking to someone today. I reckon we should start in real life streams, you know. What would you guys think? We'll go and do like IRL streams. I think that'd be sick. Ethan's pushing. Let's see if we can get to 3K. Is it pushing? Oh, that you're making my day if you tell me that. Oh, love it. If that hourly flips, would you look for shorts? Maybe, depending on what happens. It's good to hear that Ethereum's pushing. What you mean IRL streams? You're gonna trade in public? Not trading stuff. We'll do the trading streams and then like IRL ones. You know what I mean. Let me check my portfolio. Are we up? Right. Chat, this is techie right now. I do think this is a liquidity grab, to be honest. But if you do close back below, it's going to be really, really difficult to take positions here. Can you explain what you'd like to see happen? I can. I want to see this 15-minute close bullish with the hourly above. And then a closure, and then like maybe a small bottom wick and a continuation up. Otherwise, if it closes bearish on the hourly, top wick first, we can attempt the sells to come back down, right? Because then you've sort of swept the highs. Because we've done that in the past as well. If you look to the left here, we've done the exact same thing here and over here as well. So it really does depend on this closure right now. If the closure is above on the 1 hour, I'll look to take some buys upwards. If the closure is bearish below, we'll see what happens, because I need to see. It's a bit difficult because the structure is still bullish on all the time frames, right? I would like to see the 1 hour close below this area for sells, to be honest, because then you got like at least a breaking structure on the 5. I had the best entry I've ever had on ETH. Bought a $1,450 crazy. I think I bought more at like 1.6 or something, but not like that. That's a snipe. Makes sense, thanks. Yeah, no stress, bro. Mad. Chat, I just read something crazy. Chat, we're flipping here. Maybe we can get that closure below. This is interesting, chat. Because first of all, like, you need to be careful here because this still could just be a liquidity grab for us to continue back upwards, right? So if we don't form anything on this hourly, the best thing that can actually happen is we form something on the next hourly, or the next, not hourly, in the next like 15 or 30 minutes. But if this hourly does close bearish like this, I don't think sells are really a bad option. Because you've done it in the past, right? Only concern, like I said, is the structure's still bullish. Possible sky dweller downwards, risky though. I don't know if it's necessarily risky because you've swept now all of the highs, right? Yesterday's New York high just got swept. Asia high got swept. So you grabbed a lot of liquidity here. As of right now, would you keep your eye on the 5-minute candles without a top wick? On the current range right now, just the drop we had? Yeah, I mean, if it closes like this, then it makes no difference to me, right? But if it's not closing like this, then yeah, of course. Like, it could flip at any point. I'm not saying it will, but it could. So this could either be like a higher low chat. Like right now, this is the decision time. This could either be like a higher low being made here for us to then continue back up like this, or this could be the liquidity being grabbed for us to then come back down and do something like that, right? It's just one of two things right now, and that's why you need to wait for the decision. And that decision is going to be the hourly closure. That's the most important thing right now. Because look, now we're starting to reject here. So now, chat, if this 15 can close bullish here, it's pretty clear that's a liquidity grab. Stops below here are pretty safe. So within a week and a half, I dropped from 182 to, wait, to 172? How? That's crazy. Bro's on Ozempic. All right, 5-minute close bearish, chat. You did start to reject though, a little bit. So let's see which one it does here, chat. It can do one or the other right now. What's up, Adam? How's it going, brother? I genuinely think if it breaks below these lows here, you have a lot of opportunity. Stops are a bit large now though, right? Yeah, they're like 100 pips. I just stuck to 2 meals a day. Didn't count calories, but it's definitely less than I normally eat. Yeah, W, bro. That's a good idea. No snacking. Snacking's a killer, especially in America, bro. You guys have the worst snacks. Like, you probably have the best snacks, I mean, taste-wise, but for, like, not being an unhealthy fuck, definitely the worst snacks. Chat, I'm hesitant to take sells here, I can't lie. As much as I really want to, because I think it looks valid. Spread? What about spread? Bad right now or what? Shit, I need to load up my fucking thing. Wait. Ninja Trader. Hada. Oh, ninja, yeah, okay. I was like, what? Did I accidentally say a word? Ninja. Put on some Kanye new album. I'm not trying to get copyright, bro. Had bigger spread for a few seconds and then no news. Something happened today, I mean fundamental? Maybe, I don't know. Chat, we're vibing with the... Chat, we're vibing with the Mexican music right now, the Latino music. Album is GG's? Yeah, not sure. Right, 2 minutes here, chat, to the hourly close. Focus up. The Rentero music. Are you Latina? Telling me you're a slim thick Latina or what? That's crazy. A thick Latina. Crazy. Chat, what have we become? Fucking give me the suelto. Chat, 1 minute 30 seconds here. We might get the cells, I can't lie. Look at this liquidity that we've grabbed. Violated me. What did? Gold? For real though, I am Latino, don't tell Trump. Did bro just activate cheats? Yeah, just turn on hacks real quick. That's jokes. Yo. 45 seconds, chat. Are we going to close no bottom wick? Imagine. Imagine this shit happens right now. Can we pull back? How much room is there to the downside here? Is this ICT concepts? No, bro. Nah, we actually closed respecting that level as well. Chat, this is sketching me out a little bit. The cells look so nice. But it could just be a higher low, right? You didn't break these lows. If you close below these lows, chat, we'd be probably in here right now. Someone's telling me not to take it. Firstly, the technical analysis side is telling me not to take it. He uses 1 to 10,000 RR. Yeah, that's me. You know what it is, chat? It's literally, if we close below this level right here, I would have been happy for us to take sales because it would have been like a shift in market structure, right? You would have seen like this, then like now you're having this to come back down and that's your structure. Now you close respecting this, you might end up having something where we just go, instead of doing that, we end up just going, okay, cool, like equal lows and then continue up like this, right? As well as that, look at the daily time frame, right? Look at the amount of liquidity we've grabbed on this daily. The cells are tempting me like nothing else, but trust me, I just can't be doing it. Yeah, man. Let's wait. Let's wait for some more stuff to happen here, chat. Because we don't know how it's going to react here. If it closes back above, we're cooked. If you get in the cells and you start to push up and close above, you're pretty cooked. What's your bias on gold? Bullish. It could be either, but bullish at the minute. Not had this much temptation since that strip club in Budapest. I'm not going to ask. Chat, first rule of being a lawyer, don't ask questions you don't want to know the answer to. Alright. That's lesson 101 right there. My client would like to exercise his Fifth Amendment rights right now. Trent is good, AG, and appreciate it, brother. Chat, 60 likes on the stream, and I'll give you an Apex account. The only reason you're not taking it is because we didn't have a structure flip. Yeah, and the fact that the daily's bullish right now. Right? Those two things. Trent, I have a question. Yes, fire away, bro. Okay, I'm here. Position, please. What's good, what's good, High Life? Flip, chat. We did flip here, so I don't know what to say, man. This might be Rip Down City. Are you still going to be around in 2025? We'll see, man. Maybe this guy was right. Cap. No chance. We will still be around in 2025. What a fucking loser. Chat, now we have to get like 1 million payouts before 2025 so that this guy can be... So we can just go... $10 to $1 million, no broker statements or deposit notices. That's the one, bro. That's the Alex G special right there. That's a special move. No martingale. Martingale could be involved. Alex G about to do that 1K to a milli. The most legit 1K to a milli ever, right? Close below here, chat. Since daily is bullish and had grabbed decent liquidity, but the lower time frames are becoming bearish, so kind of indecisive. Yes, sir. Exactly. 100% right. We're ripping down here, though, chat. Fuck, we should have taken the sells. Why didn't we take the sells, chat? Why? After the martingale, Indian chai has gone down. There's less Indian chai references now, which is good. I was getting a bit sick of the chai references. I know you guys, well, not you guys, you one specific bloke loves it, but I can't be doing it. Chat, pushing. Looks to me as if we're going to come down and fill the range here. Tough though. If we form correctly, we would have added some sells there. But chat, now if we do close back above, that's 100% confirmation we're going to be good for buys. So just be patient here. Something will form, chat. Something will form. What is a bloke? You know what a bloke is, surely. Actually, you Americans are a bit confused on what's the definition of a bloke. A bloke is whatever you define a bloke as, right? Same as a woman. Chat, that's my PR line right now. My PR team told me to say that a woman is whatever a woman wants to be. I'm joking. Nah, a bloke's just a guy. A geezer. I was take bloke as saying guy. Yeah, it pretty much is just like a bloke. Mad. I use the same word to describe what it is. Five-minute. Oh, previous 5-minute close, no bottom wick. Current 5-minute flipping here, chat. Interesting. Chat, anyone catch the sells by any chance? Chat, you telling me, by the way, what, like, I woke up to this morning. What a recommendation that is. Can I even share that? Chat, you know my feed's cooked when Instagram's recommending me this. Shared a post you might like. Yeah, safe. Sure. Should have been sent to me instead. Crazy. Chat, I'm just trying to keep up to date, you know. I'm just trying to keep up to date. Like, I'm staying in touch with all my communities right now. TRLS is an inclusive community. Chat, let me see what the post actually was. Not me having to type that word in right now. Mad, they have 300k followers, you know. Mate, your best top 3 futures firms. Top 1 is Apex. 80% off with code TRLS. I haven't traded any other futures firms, so I can't say. What was the post? Mad. The thing is, chat, I actually would have liked the post as well. It was this. Chat, Instagram was right. I would have liked the post. Telling you. Your account has now been shadow banned. Safe. That's his pin. Oh, yeah. Okay. I thought it was the most recent. Ah, okay. The most recent one was this. I don't know. Fuck it. Scroll down. Don't tell me what to do. Chat. 5-minute close bearish here below the level. Sells might be valid now. Let's see what the 15-minute does here. You got approximately 4 minutes here to the 15-minute close. I kind of just don't trust it. I mean, I do, but chat, I actually just had the nicest lunch as well. Casted a spell real quick. Crazy. Chat, let's get to 60 likes on the stream, man. Much love. Much appreciation. You guys will get an Apex account if we do. Oh, let's use the cheat codes real quick. Get them involved. Smart. Chat, smart. I knew something was missing. Yeah, trust me. Works at 60% of the time. It works 100% of the time. Big plays, bring in, pump it up, man. Yeah, get him in. Put in the title, the promise 100% signals. Crazy. I don't want signal monkeys in here, to be fair. That's the one thing I don't want. You promise. Yeah, let's switch the title up, actually. I just made £10 million trading gold with 10 pips. Get someone to animate him doing squats when you want it to push down. Mad. Dips or some shit, right? Chat, we're going to hit break even. You know what I keep seeing? I keep seeing people streaming on TikTok. and none of them can trade. It's so funny. Why are people sat on TikTok lives watching traders? Someone tell me how that makes sense. Bring the pumping guy. He was just in here, but he's got a rest. Weighted dips for extra push down. Yeah, I was gonna say that's the one, I think. Or like the dip machine where you push it down. We actually are ripping down here. It's pretty crazy. Take a talk of shite for trading, of course. Chat. We could have made a milli. He's taking a 3-minute rest break. Yeah, he's an optimal lifter, right? Science-based lifter. I trained back and buys this morning, chat. I was fasted and it was a bit of a slow session, to be honest. I felt a bit weak, but I still smashed through it. Actually, wait, I need to go get a drink. Give me 1 sec, chat. I'll be back in a second. Fuck me, it's cold in here. Chatting back. $2 says it's a lemon drink. It's not. Fun fact, in America we have some stuff labeled chocolate drink instead of chocolate milk and cheese product instead of cheese. Crazy. Yeah, it seems pretty healthy, that, to be honest. Chat, you actually ran all the way back down. That's insane. So we were right. Our analysis was right, but for me, chat, this still looks like a liquidity grab. Bro's always yapping. Who's yapping? Better not be me. Chat, 15-minute close, no bottom wick as well. Afternoon, homie, how you doing? I'm chilling, bro. Do you also eat pigeon? Why would I eat pigeon? Pigeon is crazy. Chat, 60 likes on the stream gets you a free funded account for everyone in the stream. Mad, imagine. Not quite. Shit, I forgot to post my fucking video. Chat, anyone in buys or sells here? Let me know. Or brought the NY streams back? You know what? One time I was busy during London. I had to go do something. I can't remember what it was. And then I was like, fuck it. Let me stream New York because I didn't stream London. And I ended up... Oh, yeah, no, I had no internet in the morning because they took out the power. Tremplay, you missed it? No, I didn't miss it. I saw it, but didn't take it. You get an account. You get an account. You get an account. Yeah, no, but that realistically what happened was that. And then I decided to just keep doing NY because I like it. I don't know. Wait, I took 10 pineapples with 10 contracts and in a buy, currently up 50K. W. All right, wait. Yo, chat, has anyone had this before? On my phone, whenever I record a video, there's like a black dot in the middle of the screen. I don't know what it's doing, but I don't know why it's going on. Bro, can I ask how much is your account using and what lot size? Well, I'm trading a 500K funded right now. And I'm also trading a 6-figure live account. I'm not going to tell you how big the live account is, but the funded account is 6-figure, is 500K, $500,000. And I use like between, how much is that? Between like 5 to 7 contracts pretty much. $1 gazillion, yeah. Live account is around 900K, so 6 figures, almost 7. Nah, I wish. In what broker, bro? Because I'm planning to switch broker. The broker I use is Raise FX. Raise FX. You can get a 50% deposit bonus if you use code TRLF 50 when you sign up. Chat, let me post this video. I'm just about to post a TikTok. I've been grinding. I'm almost at 20 USD equity. Crazy. Comments open. Let's see if we can close above on the 30. Yeah, chat. See, look, what did I tell you, man? What did I tell you? I was 100% sure this was a liquidity grab. We're now flipping on the 30. Do you also stream on TikTok? No. Is that available in the Philippines? Should be. Wait, should I change this? All right, nice. I'm going to start streaming on Twitch, though, maybe. I can't lie. I think that could be a vibe, like either Twitch or Kick or something like that. Because then I can play copyright music, but I'll probably keep the YouTube stream as well. Can I use copyright-free music on YouTube and then copyright music on Twitch? Is that possible or no? Can I use different music for each one? Someone tell me, because if I can, that'd be sick. Because I really just want to play music and vibe out. Chat, look at this closure here. Yes? Oh, raise. You get me excited. Pause. Just mute the audio on the other output. On the other screen. Yeah, maybe. Can I do it all on OBS? Yeah, that's sick. Chat, 7 minutes to the 30 close. If we close like this, even better if we can close above, right? But then stops are going to be pretty big. But if you can close above, that would be crazy work. Chat, this is why I didn't take the sells. Obviously, you would have made some profit out of it anyway. But this was the exact reason I didn't take the sells, right? Because I was pretty certain that this was going to happen. And what happened? This. All right, nice. Posted. How many monitors do you have? 2. I might get a 3rd though. I can't lie. I want to get one of those really big ones. You know the chat. I can't remember the name of them. What are they called? Someone tell me. You know those big ass curved ones that are like ginormous. Buy's done. This guy, man, the sniper. There's a saying, liquidity causes stupidity. Why? Ultra wide? Yeah, but which one is it? It's like is it Sony? Ultra wide monitor. It's like that fucking, I don't even know. It's like 2K, I think. This one, I think. Yeah, bro, look at this shit. You can see all the charts. You can see every single chart. You can see all the way back to the 70s in price history. But I think first I'm going to get a different PC as well. No risk, no Rari. That is true. Chat, 5 minutes till the closure here. This 5 minute pushed up no bottom wick as well. Chat, the trend play. Chat, this trend play right here played out to a T. Look at that. Stops below here as well. That is genuinely the trend play right there. That would have been like a 1 to 7. Obviously, we didn't take it, but taking entry for buys. Reason being, I see an ultra order block. S12 Lambo sweet entry. Crazy. Insane. Chat, lock it in here. Buys are starting to print right now. Just rebuild the PC. I don't know how to do that. I'm not a PC nerd. Okay, bro, I'm heading out. See you next week when I pick up my TRLS royalty. Love you. Crazy. In a bit, man. Just a few components. Place it in the case. I honestly don't want to be the type of person who builds a PC. Just go to a guy who does it, bro. You got money? Yeah, I would do that. I wouldn't do it myself. I'd just pay someone. But, or I could just buy. Why would I not just buy a pre-build? Does that not make more sense? Or am I wrong, chat? You guys know more about computers than me. Is it better to build it or buy a pre-build? Probably build it, right? Pre-build saves way more money. Really? Pre-builds are terrible. Really? Why do they scam you? More, oh. If you buy a pre-build, make sure it's not a shitty store. Oh, fuck's sake, man. Chat, someone want to build me a PC, I'll pay you. You pay for the parts, I'll pay for shipping, and then we'll call it quits. I will call it even. Building your own one is the best, like throw 4K on it. It's like one trade for you. Chat, you know, because I make a decent money on each trade doesn't mean I'm spending more money on bullshit. I don't need a crazy PC. I don't do anything other than stream and trade. Chat, 2 minutes here to the 30-minute close. You can spend a few racks? Yeah, I could do. You balling? I'm building you the meanest gaming PC. I don't even game, bro. I don't game. Maybe like Rocket League every now and then, but soon you're doing the 1K to a milli challenge? No way. This is the only game he plays? I play the game of life. I'd rather make my life. Oh, chat with pushing. Shmoney. Rejecting. Chat. This is interesting. This is crazy to me right now. If you want that 49-inch monitor, you need a good PC. Yeah, true. My PC's good, don't get me wrong. But I'm thinking about getting like a super one so I can do like multi-streaming on like 3 different... Oh no, maybe 2. Can you share us your daily routine just to inspire? Yeah, man. I'll show you my daily routine. I'll show you it. Wait. Bow, 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 bow. Where is it? Oh wait, I'll show it in a sec. Let's wait for this closure, chat. 30-minute mic close above here. We got 45 seconds. Sales waiting to happen? Nah, bro. The sales have already played out. If you were gonna get the sales, it would have been on that candle open. Unfortunately, we did not catch them. Get more RAM and a better CPU. Okay. I might do that. I think I have like a 4070 GPU. Is that GPU? Yeah, I think so. Chat, 30-minute. No way. Close respecting, chat. That makes it tough for me. That makes it a little bit tough for me here, chat. We're going to stay locked in, though. There's still a lot of opportunity here. Daily routine, someone asked, is this. Like, literally, trade the morning. And then go gym. Or drink pre-workout and then go gym. It's a pretty long video, but... yeah, anyway. Then I just chill out, come and stream with you guys. And then I just, that's about it, man. I just work in the afternoon. Get some nice food. That's pretty much it. Here you are. Chat, we're pushing up, man. Oh shit, wait, I need to unpause this. This is tough. So the buys are valid, like, it's so clean right now. 2-8 had a 30 close, 1-8 closed a resistance, 2-8 made a new support level to go up. Yeah, this is very true, right? It closed respecting this level as well. Oh shit, I didn't even see this on the 30. There's a level here, I did not even spot that. No buys, we closed below. Yeah, it makes it difficult, right? But look at the hourly now. The hourly could be printing something magical here. Might need a B50. What is that? He's not going to want to do the install. Chat, I don't even know what any of the words you're talking about mean. Chat, who wants a free Apex account, huh? Go tell all your friends that we're streaming that right now. And get us to 50, 60 likes, and then we'll get you one. Honestly, I do think Apex is the easiest prop firm to pass. To be honest. SG will cook the motherboard. I cook anything, man. Everything I do is cook. Cook in the gym. Cook everywhere. Cooking our accounts. Whoa. Yeah. In a good way. A positive cook. Chat, we are ripping up here now. This was only going to fly, to be honest. Like, there's nothing else I can say here. Unfortunately, there was no entry, right? Either way, there was no entry. Maybe that 15-minute trend play could have been the one. But in hindsight, it's always way easier to see, right? I thought this could have come all the way down, personally. But, like, realistically, there's been no entry yet. I'm not saying there won't be, because we've got a lot of time here. We have comics open right now. If this 15 closes above, can we take buys? Yeah, maybe. Maybe. I think the 15 would need to close above the previous 15 high, though. Like there. The hourly's the best, but if the 15 does close above this high here, I'm looking for the buys. Bars, that rhymed. Chat, there's so much opportunity right now. We just have to wait. Just be patient. It's forming, right? Like, think about it, chat. There's times when you need to be hunting. There's times when you need to be waiting. And there's times when you need to be getting ready to hunt, right? So right now, we're looking at the market and we're seeing, okay, like a setup is forming. We're not like on the look and trying to get entries right now, trying to take that sniper shot. But we are getting ready to like sort of start getting into position, getting ready to load up the gun, all that type of shit, right? We're just understanding that the market is printing right now. The market is setting itself up to make a move. It hasn't made a move yet, right? All it's been doing is grabbing liquidity. It did close above, but it failed to drive. And now it looks like it wants to grab liquidity here. This could be the move that we look for, chat. As long as you get like a nice little closure above, we could be good to go. But equally as possible, chat, bear in mind this 30 close respecting, right? Equally as possible, we could just reject. So there's no position right now, because if you do that, you're shooting yourself in the foot for no reason. Now is your time to be chilling. Or not chilling, but like now's the time to be waiting for a setup. Chat, I was thinking about this earlier, right? I just posted a TikTok about this as well. There's so many broker scams nowadays. I think the only way someone can show that they're actually profitable is if they trade live. Like the only way someone can prove themselves to be a profitable trader is if they trade live on stream in front of an audience. If you don't do that, then like brokers can give you literally fake accounts. I've been offered fake accounts by brokerages, and they'll say like, yeah, we can even do withdrawals, so it looks like you got money to your bank and all that shit. Like, bro, the only way that you can prove to be profitable is trading on stream. Because I know for a fact most of these guys, why would they do that? Why would they not? Ja, the way it works, all right, chat, I'll explain this to you guys. I just posted a TikTok about it, so if you want to know in more detail, go watch my Instagram or my TikTok, right? But, right, wait, actually, let me show you. So, you get an influencer who's an unprofitable trader, but he's pretending to be profitable. Step one, the broker approaches him and says, look, we're going to give you a deal, pay you this amount of money to trade with our broker, but we know you don't make money. So, this guy's a prick. But we know you don't make money. So what we'll do is we'll give you a live account that looks like a live account, but it's actually demo money. You trade it, and then we delete all of the negative trades. See, look, wait. We delete all of the negative trades, so you can show your audience that you're always taking wins. They deposit to our broker, both make money, right? See? Like I can this is a text from a brokerage that I got, by the way. I can arrange a fake real account for up to 100K. This is an account on real servers with fictitious capital. You can use it for your copy trading or on your YouTube lives. It looks like, wait, and then I moved out of the way. It says it looks and behaves just like a regular live account. How crazy, chat. So many people are doing this. So many influencers that you see out there that post shit like this. Expose the firm. Expose the firm. There's been so many, bro, that have offered me this. This guy's spamming it. You guys know the broker that TJR works with, right? No, not XNS. I think XNS are regulated, no? No comment. I don't want to put myself in shit. Because then you get no broker deals, right? I would never work with a broker who does this, though. Every single broker who said this to me, I've immediately cut ties. You wonder why sometimes I switch broker deals or like switch the broker that I'm promoting? That's been why most of the time. So there you go. It's crazy, bro. But so much of the industry is doing this. So like, think about it, right? Think about it. When you see a trader who's, or ACG, no. Props don't really do this because props don't need to. Brokerages do it though. Because like, I know for a fact Blueberry do it. I know for a fact Blueberry do it. I don't know about Vantage. I've never worked with them. Basically, you know all these traders that are showing profits on their live accounts, and they're always already in the position, right? They're always already in the position. So like, they never show you them entering the trade. They always show you, oh, I'm up on this account by this much, or you know, I've taken this win right now, or this is a live account. Look at the profits I made. IC Markets, no, bro. I tried so hard to get a deal with IC Markets, but I couldn't. IC Markets wouldn't even like, they wouldn't even give me a proper affiliate deal, or just a regular one like that they have for everyone. Those guys are legit. That's the only reason I even mention IC Markets even though I'm not affiliated with them, because I tried to be, but they were like, nah, we don't even give like the biggest influencers in the world deals. We don't need to. Same with like a lot of people. IC Markets offer me affiliate? No, they offer you an affiliate, bro, but it's different to like an influencer affiliate, right? There's like different things. So like, it's difficult to explain, chat. There's a lot behind the scenes that you guys don't see. Been with them, IC Markets, they're good and they pay. Only issue, sometimes it lags. I never really had that. Jar, you could jump on the streams, Jar. Put a Bally on or something and stream it. That'd be sick. I'd watch that. Jar, jump on London session or some shit and like stream in a Bally. Be sick. No, I'm just playing, bro. Do you think gold is inefficiency market or no? I've got no clue what an inefficiency market means. Chat, look at this rejection right now. Happy to come to yours via Zoom. Oh yeah, chat, we should do that. We should open up the Zooms, to be fair. I respect it, Jar. Chat, remember we used to have the Zooms? I miss that. Let's spam IC Markets chat for giving him a good deal. I appreciate you, bro. No, I'm good though. I'm good. I don't really want to do it. Like, I don't really care about broker deals, to be honest. Chat, eventually I will open up my own broker though, I think. But that's the one thing I always will say, chat. If I ever open up my own broker, the trades that I take will never be on that broker. So I'll trade on a different broker. If that makes sense. Yo, where am I gone? Oh, there you go. Like Raja, yeah, exactly. I don't think that's fair. It just doesn't make sense. So the broker is happy to put his reputation on the line for a few more clients? That is madness. That, my friend, is just the tip of the iceberg. One sec, chat. Oh shit, there's a big trader coming to Cyprus as well that I know. Nice. SG, you got to promote your broker, show them your spreads. Yeah, true. He trades on his own broker? I know, that's insane. All right, chat. 15-minute closing above here, chat. Look at this 5-minute. I see this ripping, to be honest. That rejection was crazy, though. It's either a fat liquidity grab or it's something else. I'm somewhat tempted to wait for the 1 hour, chat. I can't lie. Like, this area on the 15 is kind of choppy. The 1 hour looks way cleaner as well. Chat, I'm gonna wait. I'm probably gonna wait for the 1 hour here. Let's see what this. I mean, this 5 looks good, but it's gonna close no top wick. Yeah, mid closure. 15 closed above though. We'll see, chat. I think patience is key here right now. You don't want to take a poor setup. Is 4 hour just a retracement? What's a retracement? It retraced in both directions, right? This could be sick though, chat. 1 hour closure above here is great. SG, are you trading Apex currently or other props? I trade Apex and ACG. I trade the props that I promote, right? Like, the props that I believe in are the ones that I trade and tell you guys to trade as well. So I trade those two. But at the minute, I'm like pretty focused on Apex accounts, to be honest. And then I'm thinking about putting the risk back on my live account as well. Like, I took a trade on my live account for the first time in a while last week. Chat, if we can close nicely on the 1 here, this is going to be really good. It's going to be really clean. You got room all the way up towards 53 now, chat. At least towards 45. At least towards 45. Are the commissions good, what you get from the props? Nah, bro, it's nothing crazy. Nothing crazy, man. Some guys like Patrick Whelan make a stupid amount of money. But I don't promote prop. I wouldn't even say I promote prop firms. I just sort of tell you guys which ones I'm using. No buy stop yet? No, there's nothing here, chat. Not yet. We need the closure. You got 12 minutes. Whelan makes millies, yeah. You a scalper? Yeah. Good catch. All right. Why you left DVS? I never left it. I was never really, I don't know. I think you know the answer. I don't think I was ever like a part of it. Appreciate the recommendation for futures, bro. I think I prefer it. Yeah, good, bro. The execution's a lot sharper, right? At least I think so. I think the execution's a lot sharper. Yeah, because I don't want to be I don't want to be affiliated with people like that, to be honest. Wick entries if the 1 hour close is nice. Yeah, like if we retap into 33, 37 here, chat, this will be the buys I look for. Like a closure above here. Oh, yeah. Oh, wait, this was on the 15. Okay, no, was that? Yeah, that was the 15 level. Okay, fine. Chat, what I'll look for essentially is a closure above here and then a retest into maybe even 35, but we'll say 37. And that'll be our bias to take it up towards the top of the range. Stops will be like, I've got PTSD from yesterday being below the current low, but we'll do it. TP will be the top of the range. Stop loss will be below the. I'm gonna put it below these lows here. That's what I'll look for, chat. So if you can get like a nice little retest. Bigger stops. I will change my lot size if we get it. Yeah, stops are, I mean, yeah, they're a little bit larger. We'll go for a decent risk to reward on it though. Like, even if you go and close at 45, right? It's pretty much like a 1-to-1. What are the plans this year when you're opening up that broker? Not for a while, bro. You guys don't understand how much money it takes to open up a broker. We're talking millions. It takes, for a good broker, if you want it to actually work, you probably need $1 million. You can open it up with like probably 100K, but you've then got no money left for marketing. You got no money left to pay out traders if you like manage risk inappropriately. You have to manage risk of your traders as well. Like it's a lot of it's extremely complicated. The good thing is Apex is very cheap for the 50K, but it's annoying once you pass, you basically need another phase 2, the threshold to pay out. Yeah, but we said this the other day, right? But the thing is, like, basically what happens is, you get to keep that what you call phase 2 as in the buffer, you can take that as a payout. So it's not really phase 2, it's just basically a payout target, let's say. But it's not really like a phase 2, because it's not like you have to... like you don't keep that money because you can keep the money, right? What's the earnings potential then and the profits being made on spreads mostly? Bro, you guys have no idea how much money brokers make. I need to make a video on this actually. Let me write this down. Basically, all right, cool. Basically, does the broker have risk of losing money? Not really. Not really. If you do it right, not really, no. The brokers make money on you in like 4 or 5 different ways. It's fucking crazy. I've met with like, I've done all the research to start a broker. I've met with all of the guys who like do it basically. So on Apex, I passed phase 1, I'm funded out, I'm at 51,000, I can't pay out. Yeah, that's true, but you also, when you get to a payout, you can keep the money, right? Which is why I don't like calling it a phase 2, because it's not really. But yeah, like basically I've met with all the fintech companies and everything for brokers. They make money on everything. Which is why I don't understand why they're so discriminatory to traders. Like the brokers could be completely fair to traders and still make a shitload of money, right? You could have a brokerage which is completely fair, and they would still make crazy money, but they exploit traders even more and then make obviously even more. Agreed, yeah. Our broker's just a middleman with the data and the trades. They are, but they're also not, right? Because you have stuff like B-booking, right? So like, let's say the broker actually functions how it should do, right? And you have You have like A-book traders. So you actually, basically, you want to buy, let's say you want to buy one lot, right? You need a counterpart. So the counterpart is obviously someone selling one lot. Let's just say for simplicity reasons, right? What happens is, first of all, they charge you spread. You get slippage sometimes, but let's just ignore that. Commission. And yeah. And then they basically connect you to someone else or another, essentially a liquidity provider who can provide the opposite side of your trade. And let's say that you they charge you like $7 commission. The liquidity provider probably charges them, $3 commission. So they keep the extra $4, So they keep like $4 profit. But what actually happens the majority of the time is 90% of traders are B-booked. So what that means is your trades are never ever placed on live market. So there's no need for a counterpart, okay? And then what happens is if you lose, your money goes directly into the broker's pockets, right? So the money that you lose in the trade, say you risk 1K, goes directly to their P&L. And if you win, they pay you out from their pockets. And then obviously, we know that like 97% of traders are unprofitable. So essentially, in the long run, if a broker gets 1 million in deposits, let's say, they know that they're expecting to receive 970,000 of that directly into their pockets from profit, from taking your money, right? And on top of that, they charge you spread, commission, and slippage as well. You know how insane that is, chat? Like, you know how crazy that is? The amount of money they're taking away from everyone. Like, I don't think you understand. It's insane. I'll make a video on it in more detail, right? Let me keep this up here. Anyway, chat, 1 hour's closing here in about 3 minutes. Cooking for real, damn, thank you for the new information. I just learned some things. Anytime, brother. I'm glad you learned some shit, man. Chat, drop a like as well if you haven't already. I'm teaching you stuff that no one else in the trading industry knows. Someone clip that for me, actually. Let's see, chat. If we close like this on the 1 hour, we're looking good here. That's going to be a break in structure. If you close respecting, chat, I'm done for the day. If you close respecting, I'm done. Because this is no bueno at that point. But if we close below and we can get some nice liquidity being grabbed here. Are we back in September, SG? Oh, you go home today. Oh, I thought you meant like go home because the market's dead. Yeah, you go home from Cyprus. Mad. Tough, bro. I'll see you in September then. Chat, 2 minutes. I'll be back before the closure. Give me 1 sec. Chat, what's going on, man? We not even gonna close respecting or what? Or not above? I mean, chat, this could be cooked. Oh, no way, chat, no way. How are we gonna close above here, chat? This is kind of cooked now. You failed to make a higher high as well. Hmm. 30 closed bearish and shot down straight away. It's gonna rip up now, watch. Chat, we're cooked. We are absolutely fucking cooked. It flipped as well. No trades for today, chat. I'm very sorry. But actually, you should be mad at the market, not at me. The market's being a little bitch. I'm not in but rooting for this win. I'm not in either, bro. I'm not in a trade right now. I just put that on because that's what I was looking for, but it didn't form, right? I wanted a closure above. I'm not in a position. By the way, never did I say I was getting in one. Chat, we'll call it a stream. We will call it a stream, man. Geoguessr, yeah. Had 15 minutes sell. Wait, I got rid of the chat for some reason. Got your clip, G? I appreciate it, man. Send it in the Discord for me, please. Legend. Hey Siri, can you mind me to go fuck myself? Crazy. Why does it... Geoguessr makes my PC lag, chat. Are we cooked? W stream, hey, thank you, brother. Chat, if you're going to dip off before the game, make sure you like and subscribe. All that good shit. Chat, we're giving this value every single day. I'll be back tomorrow, same time as today. 12 p.m. UK time. All right. I'll give it 10 seconds and we'll start the game, chat. Oh, fucking hell. All right, chat. 3, 2, 1. Oh, someone just got in, man. Good shit. Is this? I feel like this is... Why is it not loading, man? Is it this? Fuck, I wanted to find it, but the map wouldn't load. I thought it was Lake Como. All right, Croatia. Close enough. Chat, my Geoguessr is actually lagging. I'm actually cooked. I'm actually cooked right now. Maybe I do need a PC upgrade, chat. Did we get to 50 likes and are we doing a giveaway? We didn't and we aren't. Not today. Chat, is this a cricket pitch? It is. All right. Is this the UK? Might be South Africa or somewhere like that. India, yeah, that makes sense, actually. Fuck. Cricket land, right? That would have made a lot of sense. All right, I need to come back now, chat. No jokes about comeback. This is either like Brazil or somewhere like Argentina. Or maybe South Africa. Yeah, Mexico, all right. No way you got that. Malenko, bro. Malenko's got hacks. I'm convinced. W discipline, Smike, you're 100% right, bro. That's what I'm teaching you guys every single day, man. Discipline. I could come here and take a trade every single day. Trust me, I could have got 2 positions there today. But guess what? Long term, for me, that's not profitable. I don't know where this is. I'm just throwing out guesses right now. Oh, I know. It's probably like this ends, right? Fuck, I was closer before. 0 points, you know. Chat, final round. I'm not even top 10. Oh, come on, son. Yeah, okay. Bratkowski. Is it Krakow or Warsaw? Go Warsaw. Yeah, close enough. Chat, did that bring me back a little bit? Sick. Fucking hell. All right, chat, look. Malenko, Jar, and Mark, congrats. Chat, that's it from me, man. Hopefully you guys have a good rest of your day. Peace out, chat. Much love. See you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.